happening, people? You're back with Allsortz, and yes, we're back in Marrakesh, and I've got a three-part video for you guys. You've seen my previous videos where we did a lot of videos in Marrakesh, so this time we're going to be taking a trip to Aqua Park. Also, we're going to see a waterfall in Ourika. I did do a video over there, but I did go right to the top where the big waterfalls were, so hopefully you'll be able to see that in this video. And also we went to Chez Ali where I videoed it, where we had some nighttime entertainment. So make sure you check out these three videos that we had done in Marrakesh for you guys. Make sure you hit the like button, and we'll see you again for some more videos. Here's the waterfall.